What's up guys, this is Jordan Tan, your friendly neighborhood bartender again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a brand new cocktail which I have just invented. I call it BlackPink. Yup, the famous Korean girl group BlackPink. We need black, Guinness Stout, pink, Bandung. Get yourself a shot glass, a spoon. For this case I'm using a bar spoon, but you can just use any spoon, that's fine. Get yourself a coaster. To make my life much more easier, I have already poured the Guinness Stout into this cup. Okay, so this is how it's going to be done. Bandung. Fill the shot glass with Bandung about 50%. Okay. Next, you need to layer the drink so that the cocktail will be more interesting and nicer. This is how it's going to be done. The spoon, the bed of the spoon facing upwards. Okay. Put out here. Scoop the Guinness Stout and pour it slowly. Okay, slowly down to the top of the Bandung. This is actually physics. Why? Because Bandung is sweet. Okay, sweet is denser and it will definitely stay at the bottom. Whereas any alcoholic drink which is not sweet, will definitely float on top of any denser liquid. Okay, so slow and steady. Pour the Guinness Stout to the back of the spoon. Guinness Stout, which is less dense, will definitely float on top of the denser Bandung. Slow and steady. Okay. 50% Bandung and 50% Guinness Stout. Slow and steady. Okay, a little bit of patience and voila! See, I have already layered this cocktail. BlackPink. See the two color? Black on top, pink at the bottom. Okay, this is how we're going to drink this cocktail. Make it a little bit more fun. The coaster, cover it, and let's pop this cocktail. 1, 2, and 3. See? Well mixed. Cheers to BlackPink. 1 shot, finish off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, feel free to comment and tell me how can I improve on this cocktail, and especially the most important thing is whether you like it or not. See ya!